Yawning is contagious due to a mix of psychological, social, and neurological factors. Scientists believe it's linked to mirror neurons, which help us unconsciously mimic the behaviors of others. When we see someone yawn, these neurons activate, prompting us to do the same. Another theory is social bonding. Yawning might have evolved to synchronize group behavior, helping early humans stay alert together. It's also associated with empathy. Studies show that people are more likely to catch a yawn from close friends or family than strangers. On a physiological level, yawning helps regulate brain temperature and oxygen levels. So when one person yawns, others may subconsciously follow suit to achieve the same effect. Ever notice that just talking about yawning makes you want to do it? That's how powerful the chain reaction is.